Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to solve systems of linear equations using the elimination method. Specifically, we will focus on adding and subtracting equations. The primary goal of this method is to eliminate, or get rid of, one of the variables. By combining two equations together, we can create a new, simpler equation that only has one variable, which is much easier to solve. There is a simple rule to decide whether to add or subtract. If the coefficients of a variable are opposites, like positive 3y and negative 3y, you should add the equations. If the coefficients are exactly the same, like positive 5x and positive 5x, you should subtract the equations. Let's look at our first example. We have two equations, 2x plus 3y equals 12 and 4x minus 3y equals 6. Notice the y terms. We have positive 3y and negative 3y. Since these are opposites, we will add the equations. When we add the equations vertically, 2x plus 4x becomes 6x. Positive 3y added to negative 3y becomes 0. They eliminate each other. Finally, 12 plus 6 equals 18. We are left with 6x equals 18. Dividing by 6, we find that x equals 3. Now that we know x is 3, we need to find y. We can substitute x equals 3 into either of the original equations. Let's use the top one. 2 times 3 is 6. So, 6 plus 3y equals 12. Subtracting 6 from both sides gives us 3y equals 6. Dividing by 3, we get y equals 2. Our final solution is the ordered pair 3, 2. This means x equals 3 and y equals 2. You can verify this by plugging these numbers back into both original equations to ensure they work. Now let's look at a second example where adding won't work. Here we have 5x plus 2y equals 20 and 3x plus 2y equals 12. Notice the y terms are identical, positive 2y and positive 2y. If we added them, we would get 4y, which doesn't help. So, we must subtract. We subtract the bottom equation from the top one. 5x minus 3x gives us 2x. 2y minus 2y cancels out to 0. 20 minus 12 is 8. We are left with 2x equals 8. Solving for x, we get 4. With x found as 4, we substitute it back into one of the equations. Let's use 3x plus 2y equals 12. 3 times 4 is 12. Subtracting 12 from both sides, we get 2y equals 0. Dividing by 2, y is 0. Be very careful when subtracting. A common mistake is to only subtract the first term. Remember, the subtraction sign applies to the entire equation. You are subtracting the x term, the y term, and the constant. To summarize, first, line up your equations. Second, check the coefficients. If they are opposites, add the equations. If they are the same, subtract them. Once you solve for the first variable, substitute it back in to find the second. Good luck.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.